Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to repair a bathtub chip in your bathtub, but I want to preface this video by saying that this kit, basically, the texture doesn't really match and the color isn't really quite white. And so basically, if you're looking to basically just keep your chips from growing, this would be the kit you'd want to use, but don't expect too much from it. And so that's kind of what I was going for when I bought this kit because we just want to extend the life of this bathtub. It's not like we're not expecting it to be like a brand new bathtub where you can't see any chips and it looks brand new. So that's kind of the expectation you want to go with. I do have another product I'll show you at the end to help try and blend it a little bit better if you want to really make it look like you never had any chips in the first place. So let's get started and I'll show you how the install goes. The kit comes with part A and part B. They're just two different kind of goops, I guess is what I'm going to call them. So basically what you want to do is you want to mix them one to one. So open them up and then take a piece of cardboard or whatever you got and put one part of part A and one part of part B together. So I use two different chopsticks because I don't want to be mixing them inside the actual tubes because that's going to, the chemicals, whatever the reaction is, and it's going to harden. So I didn't want to do that. So go ahead and take your two different chopsticks or whatever popsicle sticks, mix it together, and then you're ready to actually apply to your chips. So once you do that, I just took one of the chopsticks, see one of the chips here, and then you want to apply a good healthy amount all over the chip and outside of the chip as well. And then take the tool that comes with the kit and you want to flatten it out, but don't press too hard. You want to make sure that there's actually a layer on top of the chip, or else you're basically not going to do anything and the chip is still going to be there. So flatten it out, make sure it's as even as you can get it, and then take your sandpaper. So if you have a lot of texture, you want to use a 320 first, which is more coarse, and then use the 600, which is more fine to even it out and basically blend it. But what I found is that the sandpaper with this product actually happens kind of to chip off the this goop that's all hardened, and so it didn't really help that much. And so if you really finesse it, you can probably make it look a lot better. And then basically that's all you need to do. Uh, that when you look at it and when you actually touch it after that, it's a lot better than before because it protects the entire chip and it's gonna basically enable it to not get bigger because you've got this protectant layer over where the chip was. So if you want it to match better, and because like I said, you can kind of see it. The line's not very good, but you can kind of see it. The color when you mix part A and part B is kind of a gray rather than a white. So if you use the Rust-Oleum product, this Rust-Oleum product linked in the description, you can spray that on and that's going to be a lot more color matched to your tub. You want to do it in a couple of layers and do it very lightly. And then basically that should help really blend this product, this repair kit with your natural color of your tub. And then it'll be less noticeable. So that's what you can do to fix your tub. Hope that was helpful and thanks for watching.